Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to open a retirement account at Fidelity Investments. So the first one is visit the Fidelity's website. So just search for fidelity.com and click open an account in the top right corner. So Fidelity's homepage features quick access to all account types, including retirement, brokerage, and savings accounts. So from there, we'll see options for IRAs prominently displayed. Next is choose your retirement account type. So select the type of retirement account that you want to open. So Fidelity offers traditional IRA, Roth IRA, rollover IRA, and SEP IRA. So each has different tax advantages. So traditional IRA offers tax-deductible contributions, while the Roth IRA offers tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Next is fill in your personal details. So complete the application form with your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, email address, phone number, and home address. So Fidelity will ask about your employment status and annual income for regulatory requirements. Next is fund your account. So just choose how to fund your new retirement account. So options include bank transfer, wire transfer, check deposit, or transferring assets from another institution. So link your bank account by entering your routing and account numbers for electronic transfers. Lastly is explore your Fidelity dashboard. So your Fidelity retirement account is now open. So the dashboard shows your account balance, portfolio allocation, recent transactions, and quick action buttons for contributing, transferring, and trading. So you can also start investing in mutual funds, ETFs, stocks, and bonds. So you can also consider Fidelity's zero expense ratio index funds to minimize the investment costs. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!